Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette C6 3LT. Great looking car, nice looking chrome wheels, super, lots of room in the trunk. Look at that. This comes down, so there's your top. So when your top is up, you have that much more additional room. I'm just going to put this back up so the top will be able to go up. Little compartments in here to store little cubbies, little things, golf balls, etc. Have a look in the seams. Super clean, tidy little car. Really nice. So it's got the Z06 style spoiler on it, right there. It's got Corsa exhaust, clean, shiny, ready to go, looking fabulous. What a car. What a beauty. It's got the chrome wheels and painted rotors, painted calipers. Those are Michelin tires, which are the thing to have on this car for sure. Have a look in the seats. It's the luxury leather with the perforated leather inserts, a power passenger seat, along with the power lumbar and side bolster adjustments as well. Have a look in the door frames here as I'm getting in, just to show you that the books are here with the car. So there's your books right there. And the codes are right here for the car. Just see if I can get that. There it is right there. And as you can see, 3LT. Super. So everything's here, Bose sound system, dimming mirrors with light sensitive action on them, and the beautiful waterfall that you see there on the convertible, that's gorgeous. This one's got side fins in it, or side gill covers we'll call them, and nice chrome wheels again, no curb rash, no issues, just fabulous condition. Michelin tires, painted rotors, painted calipers, looking awesome. Under the hood, LS2, 400 horsepower, powering a 6-speed manual transmission, flies like the wind. You can see that the hood mat's in great shape, no issues, no worries, just looking fabulous. A good looking battery there, an AC Delco, and you can see there is absolutely zero corrosion on this engine. It is like been super well kept indoors, never been outside in the rain to get corrosion. So have a look at the front end here. The condition is outstanding. A couple little stone chips which are going to happen, nothing major. Nothing to really point out, but I just want you to see everything there is. And here's your other wheel, no curb rash. Again, the rotors, love the red calipers on that, the painted rotors. It looks stunning. So gorgeous. Here's your other gill. And here's your last wheel there. Looking fabulous. On the driver's door, you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and driver memory package right there. You've got side bolster and lumbar seat adjustments on the power seat there. Good condition, no issues, no damage. It's got a cover over the console. That's a padded cover that's been added. Visor vanity mirrors are there. The car is in great shape. Let's just slide in and fire this one up. Nice. What a great sound. Nice Corsa exhaust, sounds great. Let me close the door so that doesn't beep. 57,480 kilometers. Nice Bose sound system, AM, FM, CD radio with XM. Let me just check for the XM. XM is there. Beautiful. And we'll just turn the radio off. And down here is our dual zone automatic air conditioning, so it's working perfectly. The air conditioning just kicked in. Here is our heated seats, and they're working fine. Let me just check the other side. Yes, it's working fine as well. And here is a little coin tray, we'll call it, with a power outlet. And there is your cup holder, looking fabulous. Underneath in here, you've got your glove box with a power outlet here to plug in your phone and power it up. And traction control button here, 6-speed manual transmission. You've got driver information center there, heads-up display over here, and you'll see the heads-up display right there. I can move it up and down, and then change the mode and change the page and a whole bunch of things. So cool system. So now let's put the top up, which we'll just have to put the brake on to do that. And here goes the waterfall up, and then the top will follow. Waterfall down, locking into place, and then the top. So the only thing that's left to do is this one little turn. Just turn this like this and like that, and that's it. And then power windows up, all good. Beautiful. Nice leather wrap steering wheel controls for the radio. You've got tilt wheel here and telescopic wheel over here, because again it is a 3LT. So down here is your power trunk and power gas door release. Have a look at the door frames as I'm getting out. Great looking car, triple black, all the right equipment, great pedigree, good history, clean Carfax, awesome. Have a look down the sides there. There is nothing, no scratches, no dents, nothing. Listen to that. What a great exhaust. And of course it is the best you can get for this era. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette C6 3LT with an LS2 engine. 6-speed manual transmission. It's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.